welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to review one of the most legendary Indonesian action film ever made, Jaka Sembung. This classic movie combines martial arts, fantasy, supernatural element, and a powerful story about corp and justice. Although it was released decades ago, Jaka Sembung remains one of Indonesia's most iconic action film. If you enjoy classic martial arts movie with magical power and epic battles, then this film is definitely worth watching. So, without further ado, let's get started. Background of the background of the movie, Jaka Sembung is based on a famous in Indonesia comic book character created by the Jair. The story is set during the colonial era, when ordinary people suffered under oppression and injustice. The film introduced Jaka Sembung, a fearless warrior blessed with extraordinary martial arts skill and supernatural power. Unlike many heroes who fight for personal revenge, Jaka Sembung uh, dedicates his life to protecting innocent people and standing against uh, tri- tyranny. This this combination of history, fantasy, and traditional martial arts make the movie unique among Indonesia classic. Story summary: the story begins in a village where people live in fear because of cruel rules and corrupt authorities. The villagers are forced to work hard by unfair tax and uh, obey those in power. In the middle of this suffering, a warrior named Jaka Sembung rise to defend the weak. His reputation quickly spread because of his incredible fighting skill and his willingness to sacrifice himself for others. As Jaka continue helping innocent people, he becomes the biggest enemy of the rules. They send soldiers, mercenaries, and even powerful black magic master to defeat him. However, every chance only makes Jaka stronger. He refuses to surrender, believing the justice is always worth fighting for. The story continue with exciting battles, unexpected twists, and supernatural conflict that keep the audience entertained from beginning to end. The the main character, one of in the greatest strength of this movie is its main character. Jaka Sembung is portrayed as a fearless, honest, and humble hero. Despite possessing incredible power, he never abuses it for personal gain. Instead, he asks his strength to defend innocent people and fight against injustice. His determination, loyalty, and could make him one of the most memorable action heroes in Indonesia cinema. Yeah, this is a film Jason. Even after many years, the character remains popular among fans of classic martial arts films. So, action and fight scan the action scan are undebatably on one of the highlight of the movie. The film feature numerous martial arts battles fought with punch, kick, sword fight, and traditional fighting technique. Each opponent has unique ability, making every battlefield different and exciting. Although the special effect might repair outdated by today's standard, they were impressive for their time. Instead of relying on computer-generated imagery, the filmmakers use practical effect and creative choreography, giving the movie in on this distinctive charm. For fans of classic Asian movie, these can are both entertaining and nostalgic. Yeah. So, supernatural element, supernatural element. Beside martial arts, the movie also contain many supernatural elements. Several characters possess magical ability, dark power, and mystical knowledge. Yeah, and there's a fantasy element make the story so more exciting and unpredict- unpredictable. Yeah, instead of being a simple action film, Jaka Sembung create a world where martial arts and supernatural focus exist side by side. Yeah, this unique combination become one of the reasons why the movie gained such a loyal fan base. Yeah, a fan base. And so, moral message, moral message is beyond the spectacular fight. The movie deliver several important life lesson. The first lesson is the importance of standing up against injustice. Jaka teaches us that remaining silent in the face of face operation only allow evil to grow stronger. The second lesson is correct. True correct is not about being fearless, but about doing the thing even when facing great danger. The third lesson is selflessness. Throughout the story, Jaka repeatedly risks his own safety to protect innocent innocent people. Yeah. So finally, the movie reminds us that real strength should always be used to help others, never to dominate or exploit them. Strength of the movie. There are many reasons why Jaka Semu remains enjoyable today. So first, the main character is memorable and inspiring. Inspiring. Second, the martial arts choreography in Esther Tiny and creative. Third, the blend of action, fantasy, story, and supernatural. The dance creates a unique cinematic experience. Fourth, the film carries meaningful message about justice, bravery, and compassion. Yeah, lastly, it represents an important part of Indonesia film history and showcases the creativity of classic Indonesia filmmakers. Weakness of the movie. Weakness of the movie, uh, like many older film, Jaka Sembung also has some weakness. Weakness. So the the visual effect are simple compared to modern movie. Some scans might feel slower than today's fast action film. The sound quality and cinematography also reflect the technology available at the time. However, this limitation do not reduce the movie historical importance or entertainment value. Yeah, in fact, many viewers appreciate its nostalgic atmosphere and practical filmmaking technique. Technique. Why is still why is still popular even decades after its release? Jaka Sembung, Jaka Sembung continues to attract audience. Many older viewers remember watching it during their childhood, while younger generation discover it through streaming platform and social media. Yeah, so its legendary hero, exciting action, and unforgettable supernatural battles have helped the movie maintain its popularity. It is more than just an action film. It is a cultural icon in Indonesia, in Indonesia cinema. Yeah, uh, if if I had to rate this movie, I would give it 9 9.5 out of 10. While it may not compete with today blockbuster film in terms of technology, its success in storytelling, memorable characters, acting, action, and meaningful then. For everyone interested in classic martial art film or Indonesia cinema, Jaka Sembung is definitely worth watching. Thank you. That concludes today is review of Jaka Sembung. This movie proves that a great story, a memorable hero, and meaningful message can stand the test of time. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your thought about Jaka Sembung and subscribe to the channel for more movie review and classic film discussion. Thank you so much for the watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.